What's up, everyone? Welcome to 4 boxes of Topps Platinum Football Break. Descended tonight, 12:30, 14, December 30th. These are the names and the teams owned. And just a reminder, if the video ever freezes, just refresh the browser and just type it in, and I'll stop. Because I know there's been issues with the streaming. I don't know if it's on my end or on Unbreaker's end. Just refresh the browser, Brock. Anybody else lagging? I know some of the other break rooms I've seen there was some lag as well. So I don't know. The National Treasures baseball's out tonight, so everybody's breaking it tonight, and maybe it's just the volume. But these are the names and the teams. You guys see it. You know what you have. It is 10:04 Tuesday, December 30th. Excuse me. Okay. The video is going to be uploaded also right after, so I can't constantly stop, But like I said, refresh the browser and just let me know, and I'll restart. But I'm going to start now with the first box. All right, the serial number. I got all numbers up on the eBay site. Okay, this is the first box. All cards ship. Anyone else having problems with the lag? Like, guys, this I believe 20 packs, so a lot of cards to go through. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. Patrick Willis. Got RG3. We got a rookie of Aaron Murray. Blue of Von Miller. These are not numbered. And we got Jimmy Graham. Robert Quinn. Randall Cobb. Rookie of Eric Ebron. Sean Lee Blue. And Jay Cutler. That was the second pack, Brock. No hits so far. Just regular base and rookie base cards. Nothing yet. This is the third pack right now. Andy Dalton. We got DeMarco Murray. We got a X-Refractive Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. Not numbered. Jordy Nelson Blue. Yes, all card ship. Everything. The only thing I keep is the wrappers and the boxes. That's it. And we got Rob Gronkowski. All card ship. Matt Stafford. Arian Foster. We got rookie Charles Sims. A blue of Robert Mathis. And Zach Ertz. Ryan Tannehill, and we got the die cut. I think there's one for each box of Derek Carr for the Raiders. This is not numbered. I believe there's only one in per box. Derek Carr, Raiders die cut. And rookie of Shaquille Evans for the Jets. Alex Smith blue. And we got Michael Crabtree. Calvin Johnson. Des Bryant. We got Odell Beckham X-Refractor. I think you got the Giants, right, Brock? Not an auto, but got X-Factor of Odell. Alshon Jeffrey Blue. And Bernard Pierce. Geno Smith. Keenan Allen. Last She-Strunk rookie, Redskins. Pierre Thomas. Blue card. And E.J. Manuel. Alright, so far a few packs we didn't get our first hit, so should be coming up soon. There's 3 hits per box. C.J. Spiller, Matt Ryan, C.J. Federwitz, rookie, Terrell Suggs blue, and Jordy Nelson. Sheldon Richardson, Phillip Rivers. We got rookie of Blake Bortles, Keenan Allen, blue, and Peyton Manning. Earl Thomas, Mike Glennon, X-Factor of Cody Latimer, Broncos, rookie. Sean McCoy, blue, and Matt Forte. Alright, the hit's got to be here soon, so a few packs left. Gotta get 3 of them. Ace Sanders, Robert Mathis. We got Jordan Matthews, rookie. Ryan Matthews, blue, and Julian Edelman. Russell Wilson, Brian Hartline. We got rookie Michael Sam, and Earl Thomas, blue, and Josh Gordon, base card for the Browns. Alright, Julius Thomas, Tony Romo, Austin Safran Jenkins, rookie, Percy Harvin, Deshaun Jackson. And still not the first hit. I hate when this happens. Reggie Wayne, DeAndre Hopkins. We got John Brown, rookie refractor. Mike Glennon, blue, and Cam Newton. Alright, just 6 packs, so it's got to be the 3 hits here now. Let's top out. I see the 1 hit coming up. Patrick Peterson, Giovanni Bernard, and for the Bengals, Will Clark, defensive end, autograph, not numbered for the Bengals, sticker auto. A blue of Darrelle Revis and Navarro Brown, Giovanni Bernard, and Patrick Peterson. Alright, we got the first hit for the first box. 2 more to go. Reggie Bush, Jordan Cameron, and for the Titans, Daquan Jones, on-card autograph, rookie. Let's see if you get a good look at it. And the reflection kind of kills it, but it's an on-card auto of Daquan Jones, not numbered. Jay Cutler and Joe Flacco. Marius Thomas, J.J. Watt, X-Factor of Marquise Lee, Cecil Shorts, and Troy Polamalu. This could be the patch. Yep, this is the patch, and not nice hit coming up. We got, wow, very nice looking patch coming up. Johnny Manziel, rookie, and Mike Evans, nice patch, very cool. Autograph patch, nice colors. This is numbered, what is this numbered to? Not numbered? I guess it's not numbered, but nice looking card. Mike Evans for the Bucks. Hopefully he'll get a quarterback that can throw to him. And last 2 packs. Eric Berry, Denarius Moore, Kelvin Benjamin, rookie, blue of Andre Johnson, and T.Y. Hilton, base card. Guys, everything looking good still? I haven't heard, there's no chat movement, so just let me know everything is fine with the video and the sound. Yes, nice hit, Brock, thanks. Kiko Alonso, Larry Fitzgerald, Bishop Sankey, rookie, Bernard Pierce, blue, and then Ndamukong Suh, who is back playing the Cowboys. They didn't suspend them, they just fined them. But that's it for box 1. The Evans is very nice. So I'm going to get this stuff out of the way. We'll go to box number 2. Okay, all right. Yeah, there's a lot of people on breakers tonight. The National Treasures baseball came out, so everybody's breaking that. I'm probably gonna do it next week, so the lag will happen. I wasn't sure if it was on my end, but my video streamer seems to be fine. All right, here we go. Pack number one, box number two. Good luck. Yeah, I was gonna do Ustream, but there's a lot of advertising and I gotta pay for it. I may try. There's another website called StreamUp. They're fairly new. I opened up an account there, but I haven't decided yet. Denarius Moore, Patrick Willis. I mean, everybody's on breakers. So we got a numbered hit. Jeremy Hill, 29 out of 75 for the Bengals. Purple, 29 out of 75. Got a Russell Wilson blue and Luke Kuechly. Matt Stafford, and the die cut of Jordan Matthews for the Eagles. Sorry about the focus, but die cut of Jordan Matthews. The Anthony Thomas rookie, Frank Gore, and Victor Cruz. Matt Stafford. RG3, Robert Quinn, and Terrence West, X Factor. Brian Hartline, and Julio Jones. Arian Foster, Ryan Tannehill, rookie of Allen Robinson, Torrey Smith blue, and Le'Veon Bell base card. Got Geno Smith, Keenan Allen, X Factor, Dre Archer for the Steelers, Brandon Marshall blue, and we got Richard Sherman. Giovanni Bernard, Demarius Thomas, Michael Sam rookie, second one we got of him, Sheldon Richardson blue, and Monty Ball base card. Reggie Bush, got Jordan Cameron, rookie of Devon Street for the Cowboys, Eli blue, and Terrell Suggs. J.J. Watt, Eric Berry, got Jimmy Garoppolo rookie. This is the black, I believe. It's not numbered though. Philip Rivers, A.J. Green. Kiko Alonso, got Larry Fitzgerald, we got Taj Boy, X Factor for the Jets, Tom Brady, blue, and Roddy White. Got Clay Matthews, Mike Wallace, Devonta Freeman rookie, Matt Ryan blue, and Andre Johnson base card. Looks like all the hits are coming in the later packs again, so let's hope so we get some another big one. Sheldon Richardson, Philip Rivers, we got Aaron Donald rookie, Andrew Luck blue, and Von Miller base card. Andy Dalton, DeMarco Murray, Kevin Norwood rookie, Jamal Charles blue, and Cordell Patterson base. We go Russell Wilson, Brian Hartline, Sammy Watkins, X-Factor rookie, Marshawn Lynch blue, and Sean Lee. It comes down to the last packs again. And I think this is a hit here. Cool looking card coming up. Earl Thomas. And what's this? Marshawn Lynch. It's a die cut. It's pink, not numbered though. Kind of cool looking. It's the pink ribbon cancer, women's cancer thing. I don't know if you could see it clearly, but this is Marshawn Lynch, unnumbered, die cut. The second one in the box so far. Brandon Cooks rookie base. Got Wes Welker, blue. Vincent Jackson. Alright. Hit's gotta come up soon. Mike Glennon. Ace Sanders, rookie of Blake Bortles. Got Clay Matthews and Pierre Garçon. So we've got a redemption coming up. Reggie Wayne, DeAndre Hopkins. I'll do the redemption next. Got Colin Kaepernick, Alshon Jeffrey, and the redemption is Ryan Shazier. I believe he's on the Steelers, if I'm not mistaken. It's an autograph rookie refractor, Ryan Shazier. Alright, 2 more hits coming up. This here. Yep, here's another hit. Robert Mathis, Julius Thomas, and Deion Buchanan, autograph for the Cardinals. Sticker auto. Kendall Wright and Drew Brees. So the patch should be in one of these. Let's see if it's in this one. Tony Romo, Patrick Peterson. Got rookie of Jalen Saunders, Jets, Factor. Mike Wallace and Aaron Rodgers. I think this is the patch hit. Victor Cruz, Aaron Donald. Up here is another redemption coming up. We'll do that last. Reggie Wayne and for the 49ers, Carlos Hyde, autograph rookie refractor patch for the 49ers. He may be the next go-to running back after Gore, so not a bad hit for the San Francisco 49ers. And we got Cruz and just the base cards and the last pack. Randall Cobb, Calvin Johnson, Bishop Sankey rookie, Reggie Wayne blue, and we got Adrian Peterson base card. That's it for box number 2. Get the cards out of the way. Alright guys, number 3. I assume everything is still good with the video and sound? I don't see anyone chatting, that's what I'm asking. Box number 3. Cool, thank you, Brock. Sorry if I keep bugging you guys, but I just want to make sure everyone gets a clear viewing. Alright, let's go box number 1, pack number 1. You got it, John. You got the Niners? That's a nice hit. The Carlos Hyde, probably the future back. CJ Spiller, Matt Ryan. We got a black of Devin Street, rookie. These are not numbered. For Cowboys, Peyton Manning blue, and Tavon Austin. Keenan Allen, Earl Thomas, Got D'Anthony Thomas, rookie refractor, X Factor, Monty Ball, and Pierre Garcon. Andrew Luck, Marshawn Lynch, Dre Archer rookie, Josh Gordon blue, Alfred Morris base. Yeah, Topps. It's gonna be more than a month, Brock. I hate to tell you, Topps. I mean, I can't really say Topps has never been that quick with their redemptions. Panini has, but they'll get you the card. I mean, actually, you know what? If I give the customer service a call, sometimes they'll speed it up if you call them and sort of bug them. I did that with one of my cards, and 2 weeks later I got it. So try calling Topps customer service and let them know about that. Mike Glennon, Ace Sanders. Yeah, they always say 4 months. I mean, that's usually the going, but sometimes you could get it earlier. A lot of times it does come in late. That I hate to admit, but you can call them and sort of bug them in a way. Paul Richardson, AJ Green, Drew Brees. I think I have a Topps redemption. It's going on over a year now. It's a Victor Cruz, Hakeem Nicks dual auto from 5 Star. So that's been over a year. It's 2013. So you just never know. Robin Mathis, Javadian Clowney die cut, AJ McCarron rookie, Luke Kuechly blue, Aaron Rodgers. Colin Kaepernick, Eli Manning, Blake Bortles X Factor, Cam Newton, Eddie Lacy. Tom Brady, Jamal Charles. Yeah, the ribbon. That is a hit. It wasn't numbered though. It was the Marshawn Lynch. That could maybe you're right. I haven't opened up any platinum to tell you the truth. This is the first time I'm doing it. Jillian Saunders, Joe Flacco, Peyton Manning. And this is 4 boxes that they were loose. They didn't really come from a case, but I guess that's the case hit. Not too bad. Julius Thomas, Tony Romo, Khalil Mack rookie, Julio Jones, and Monty Ball. No problem, Cam. I'll send a video once it's uploaded, so you get to watch it again. And they got patch hit after this. Andre Williams rookie, and for the Miami Dolphins, Jarvis Landry, nice patch here, 106 out of 125. You can see the number. Sorry about the focus. It's 106 out of 125. Sorry about that. It's a little. You can see that over there, a little thread sticking out. But for the Dolphins. Got Patrick Peterson, Giovanni Bernard. You got Allen Robinson, X Factor rookie, Adrian Peterson, and AJ Green. Reggie Bush, Jordan Cameron, Trey Mason rookie, blue of Le'Veon Bell, and Cordell Patterson base card. Demaryius Thomas, J.J. Watt, Darqueze Dennard, Nick Foles blue, and Luke Kuechly base card. You see me now? I'm freezing on my end too. You see it? Okay. Did you see the Landry hit? I don't know if you lost that. This was the last hit we took. Kiko Alonso, Larry Fitzgerald, Jarvis Landry, rookie base. Excuse me, rookie base. Vincent Jackson, Victor Cruz. You saw it? Okay, good. Eric Berry, Denarius Moore, Sammy Watkins, Alfred Morris, and Julio Jones. And some autos should be coming up. Patrick Willis, Robert Griffin, and for the Packers, haha, Clinton Dix on-card autograph. I don't know if that looks like haha, but I guess that's what it says. For the Packers. Antonio Brown, Adrian Peterson. Yeah, I'll recap. I'll recap at the end. And like I said, I'll send you guys all the link to the video. It's on my YouTube page. You'll see it up a little later. I mean, it's a long video to go through, but I'll show the hits again. Andy Dalton, Marco Murray, Kevin Norwood, X Factor, Pierre Garcon, and Le'Veon Bell. Robert Quinn, Randall Cobb, Brandon Cooks, Refractor, Tavon Austin, Blue, and Nick Foles. Calvin Johnson, Des Bryant, we got for the Jets, Taj Boyd, rookie, Eddie Lacy, and Antonio Brown. Matt Stafford, Arian Foster, and our hit is Dante Moncrief autograph for the Colts, sticker auto. Sorry I can't get a good view of this because of the reflection. Drew Brees, Richard Sherman, Foster Stafford, and the last pack for the third box. Tannehill, Geno Smith, Derek Carr rookie, Aaron Rodgers, and Vincent Jackson. And that does it for box number 3. Alright guys, final box. And good luck. DeAndre Hopkins, got Reggie Bush, Keys Denard, Michael Crabtree, McDominic Sue, Robert Griffin, Robert Quinn, and our first hit is Jason Verrett for the Vikings. Oh, it's Chargers, excuse me. On-card auto for the Chargers. Joe Flacco, AJ Green, Jordan Cameron, Kiki Alonso, Jarvis Landry, EJ Manuel, and Gronk. Narius Moore, Patrick Willis. Got Teddy Bridgewater, X-Factor rookie, Cam Newton, and Monty Ball. Larry Fitzgerald, Andy Dalton, Sammy Watkins, and Matt Forte, and Zach Ertz. Torrey Smith, Brandon Marshall, AJ McCarron, rookie, Demarius Moore, blue card, and Eddie Lacy. Wes Welker, Clay Matthews, and our next hit for the Jets, Taj Boyd on card autograph. 2 crappy hits so far for the Jets. Patrick Willis, blue, and we got Peyton Manning base card. Matt Ryan, Andrew Luck, Trey Mason, Julius Thomas, Adrian Peterson, Marshawn Lynch. Got the die cut of Devontae Adams, wide receiver for the Packers. Jarvis Landry, Tony Romo, Nick Foles, Sean Lynch. And we got Dante Moncrief, rookie. And the hit is Eric Ebron for the Lions. Nice patch autograph, not numbered. Who had the Lions here? Johnny? Cam, right? You got the Lions. Are you here? So you got your hit, buddy. There's a little blue thread sticking out right over there if you can see it. And I guess that's it for this box. I mean, maybe there'll be a surprise hit, die cut or something. We'll see. Colin Kaepernick, Eli Manning, Derek Carr, Marius Thomas, Antonio Brown. Mike Wallace, Sheldon Richardson, Trey Mason, X-Factor, Sue, blue card, Josh Gordon. Maybe, we'll see. I pulled a super refractor of John Brown in, what was that? That was it Topps Chrome? God, I forgot. It was a 1 of 1. Yeah, you got it, Cam. Here, I'll show it to you. I'll recap later for everybody, but you got the Lions. You go 3-color patch, autograph. It's a stick auto. Just so you know, you got a little blue thread sticking out over here. It's not numbered, though, just so you know. But not a bad card. Tom Brady, Jamal Charles, Devontae Adams, J.J. Watt, Tavon Austin. J.J. Watt, Eric Berry, Andre Williams, rookie, Josh Gordon, blue, Aaron Rodgers, base card. Des Bryant, C.J. Spiller, Andre Williams, X-Factor, Ace Sanders, Julio Jones. Brian Hartline, Reggie Wayne, Haha Clinton Dix black rookie, unnumbered. Zach Ertz blue, Joe Flacco. Phillip Rivers, Russell Wilson, Khalil Mack rookie, Gronkowski, Cam Newton. Sure, no problem. Frank Gore, Kendall Wright, Paul Richardson, get Eric Berry, and Alfred Morris. Giovanni Bernard, Demaryius Thomas, Teddy Bridgewater, rookie, Peyton Manning, Drew Brees, and the last pack, Randall Cobb, Calvin Johnson, Devontae Adams, rookie, Jimmy Graham, and Luke Kuechly. And that does it for the 4-box Platinum Football. Not so great, not so bad either. Hoping for some bigger hits, but some of you guys got some nice cards. You guys want to stick around, do the recap? I know some of you want to see that, so here we go. Alright, got the Eric Ebron. This is just a die cut, I won't go over that. Got the Taj Boyd, Jason Verrett, Dante Moncrief, this is numbered. Haha Clinton Dix. Nice patch of Landry for the Dolphins. This is a Clowney die cut. We got a Carlos Hyde redemption. Deion Buchanan autograph. Ryan Shazier redemption. Steelers. This could be the case hit. The Platinum Marshawn Lynch with the pink ribbon. It's not numbered though. This is Matthews die cut. Jeremy Hill, purple, 29 out of 75. Nice Mike Evans patch. This is just a Manziel rookie card. Got in there somehow. And we got Daquan Jones, for the Titans, and Will Clark. And guys, that does it. I'll get these cards shipped out to you in the next few days. It's New Year's, so I'll be out for a day or two, but hopefully I'll be at the post office by Friday or Saturday. Maybe earlier. I'll see what I can do. That's it. Got any questions? Got my eBay, and I'll probably be doing an absolute break next. I may be able to do it Friday or Saturday. I'll see if I can post it. I'll just check my eBay for that. But guys, have a great, safe, and happy New Year, and thank you for joining. Take care and good night.